IT problems repeat themselves, and every time a technician solves the same issue from scratch, your MSP loses time. In this video, we're covering Solutions Management in MSP Central, what it is, why it matters, and how it works. Solutions Management is your central repository for documented problem resolutions. Once a fix is documented, you can add video tutorials to its entry, group fixes by topic, and use keywords for fast searching. You control the entire lifecycle, set review and expiry dates, assign solution owners, restrict access to specific user groups, or publish articles directly to the self-service portal. The Solution Management feature is a structured knowledge base that runs quietly in the background, allowing your teams to capture, organize, and access solution articles and troubleshooting guides to resolve customer issues faster and more consistently. From a business perspective, the Solution Management capability delivers on 3 levels. First, ticket deflection. By publishing approved solutions to the self-service portal, clients can fix basic issues themselves, immediately reducing your Level 1 support volume. Second, knowledge retention. When senior technicians solve complex problems, documenting the fix ensures that newer team members can resolve them faster in the future. The knowledge stays with your MSP. Third, proactive content maintenance. Knowledge bases easily become outdated. With built-in review dates, MSP Central automatically notifies the solution owner when an article needs an update, ensuring that your documentation stays accurate. Now that you know the value of solutions, let's go inside MSP Central and see exactly how to build one. To start, first navigate to your Help Desk module in MSP Central, then click the Solutions tab here at the top. Click the New Solution button. Next, give your solution a clear title and enter the step-by-step resolution in the content field. Here, you can easily embed video walkthroughs or attach relevant files. You can even make use of Zia, MSP Central's own AI intelligence, to assist you in solution generation. Click the Solutions Generator button at the top, enter the prompt for which you want to generate your solution, and then click Generate. The required title, content, and keywords will be generated. You can even change the length of the solution to be more elaborate or shortened, change the language, or set the format as a how-to guide or an frequently asked questions. Once done, click the Add Generated Solution button. After this, select a topic from the drop-down, add comma-separated keywords to ensure that your team can find it instantly during a search, and set your review and expiry dates. This triggers automatic notifications to keep the content fresh. If you don't set an expiry date, the content will stay indefinitely until deleted. Attach any files you wish to include to provide further assistance with this solution. Finally, decide on visibility. Choose to show it to all customers or selected customers. and even set which technician groups to share it with. Check the box to publish this directly to the self-service portal, and use the User Groups section to restrict access to specific clients if needed. Once you hit Add or Add and Approve, your solution will be live. After adding a solution, I could easily navigate to the top right-hand side of the Actions panel, click the drop-down, and submit the solution for approval. After selecting Submit for approval, an approval template pop-up will appear. In it, I can simply list the email addresses I want the solution forwarded to for approval, and a pre-built mail template will be sent out to them. And that's solutions management inside MSP Central. You can now build a robust knowledge base, automate reviews, and empower your clients with self-service. Check out the rest of the MSP Central Feature Series playlist for more one feature, one video sessions exactly like this. Every feature you master is one more reason your clients can trust you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.